Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about example and related exercise 4.4. Okay, moving to example 4.13. What is the question? Find the value of secant inverse. What is the meaning of secant inverse? Reciprocal of cos, isn't it? What is the meaning? Solution. Secant inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x. What is the value of x? Minus 2 root 3 by 3. So, secant inverse minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 is equal to cos inverse 1 by, instead of x we can write it minus 2 root 3 by 3. Now, cos inverse reciprocal means 3 bring out numerator, isn't it? Therefore, minus 3 divided by 2 root 3. Again, cos inverse, instead of 3 we can write it minus root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Again, root 3 cancel. Consider for y means y is equal to cos inverse minus root 3 by 2. So, now inverse bring out opposite side means cos y is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Cos, according to the unit circle, we can sure all silver T cup means second and third cos will be negative. Cyclic order, what is the meaning of range 0 to pi? So, 0 to pi means second quadrant means definitely what is the term pi minus theta. Then, first you have to understand what is the value of root 3 by 2. Definitely according to the finger table, cos means we have to check it square root of number of finger count in little side. Little side means this is considered for 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 means consider for pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. We can show indicate finger because count in little side means root 3 by 2 will come. Therefore, what is the meaning of indicate finger? Pi by 6. Therefore, y is equal to, we can show pi minus, instead of theta we can write it pi minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to cross multiply means 6 pi minus pi by 6. Therefore, what is the value? 6 pi minus 5 means 5 pi by 6. It belongs to 0 to pi. This is answer for example 4.13. Okay. So, I will continue the next example. Please stay on the line. I am moving to 4.14. What is the question? If cot inverse 1 by 7 is equal to theta, find the value of cos theta. Such a type of questions, you have to understand what is the meaning of osa chota. Osa chota means sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So, what is the question? Solution. Given cot inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to theta. Therefore, cot inverse bring out opposite sign means cot theta is equal to 1 by 7. What is the meaning of cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta, isn't it? So, tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore, cot theta means adjacent divided by opposite. Therefore, this is adjacent, denominator is called opposite. So, right angle triangle, opposite of right angle triangle, that is called hypotenuse. So, theta means this is opposite side, remaining one side, that is called adjacent. Given value, adjacent value will be 1, opposite value consider for 7. What is the meaning of right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem. In any right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So, what we have to do? Sum of square, that is 7 square plus 1 square means 7 square value will be 49, 1 square value will be 1. Therefore, 49 plus 1 is equal to square root of 50. Square root of 50 means we can split 25 into 2. What is the meaning of 25? Perfect square of 5. Therefore, we can write it 5 root 2. We need actually find the value of cos theta. Therefore, cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent value will be 1. Hypotenuse value will be 5 root 2. Therefore, 1 by 5 root 2. This is answer for example 4.14. Okay, I will continue the next example. Moving to example 4.15. Okay, show that. Okay, LHS cot inverse 1 by square root of x square minus 1 is equal to, we have to prove in RHS secant inverse x. Okay, so listen very carefully. So solution, consider for LHS, what is the value LHS? Cot inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1. This is considered for y, means according to the Osa Chota, what is the meaning? Osa Chota. Sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse, tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, now again cot bring out opposite side means cot y is equal to 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Now cot theta means reciprocal of tan. What is the meaning of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. So this is called adjacent divided by opposite, means so opposite of right angle triangle, that is called hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. Now cot means adjacent value will be 1, opposite value square root of x square minus 1. What is the meaning right angle triangle? Square of hypotenuse. So if you square, already square is there, so square root will be cancelled. Therefore the main square root means x square minus 1. Then 1 square means value will be positive. The minus 1 plus 1 cancel means value will be square root of x square means x only will come. Therefore hypotenuse is equal to x. We need actually secant inverse, isn't it? So consider for this is actually what is the meaning? Cot y, isn't it? So now, so cot y is equal to reciprocal of, we need secant inverse means what is the meaning? Secant inverse means reciprocal of cos. Already we know cos theta means what is the value? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Therefore secant theta is equal to, secant theta means hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse, isn't it? Sorry my dear, hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent means secant theta is equal to hypotenuse value will be x, isn't it? So divided by 1 means x divided by 1 means x only will come. We need actually secant inverse, isn't it? This is considered for x, okay? Because each and every time will be x, no? Secant inverse x and secant inverse x means, now actually what is the meaning? This is, sorry my dear, cot y, secant y, again secant y. Now therefore y is equal to secant inverse of x. So consider for secant inverse of x means the main value secant inverse tan means, yeah, y is equal to secant inverse x. Actually main consider for LHS the whole term consider for y. Therefore y is equal to, we have to prove what is the value secant inverse of x. This is actually according to the question the right hand side, isn't it? This is called RHS. Starting with LHS considered that we have to prove also RHS same value. Therefore we can write it LHS is equal to RHS. So we can write it hence proved. Okay, one of the important, whether true or 3 mark. Okay, I will continue the next example. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Find the principal value of given 3 subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Moving to subdivision 1, solution. Subdivision 1, secant inverse true by root 3. This is considered for y, means y is equal to secant inverse true by root 3. So true by root 3 means what will happen? Secant inverse bring out opposite side means, actually secant inverse means according to the Osa Chota, reciprocal of cos, isn't it? So reciprocal of cos means we can write it y is equal to cos inverse of 1 by true by root 3 means, so y is equal to cos inverse, we can write it root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means cos bring out opposite side means cos y is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore we can show because this is positive value, you know. What is the meaning of cos? We have to check it. Number of fingers, square root of number of finger count in little side, that is cos. So little side means root 3 by 2 means we can sure root 3 by 2. Then only this is 0 pi by 6, isn't it? Therefore y is equal to pi by 6. It belongs to 0 to pi. What is the meaning of y? Secant inverse of 2 by root 3. So secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. It belongs to 0 to pi. Subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, cot inverse of root 3. This is considered for y means y is equal to, cot means reciprocal of tan, isn't it? Therefore tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse bring out opposite side means tan y is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore y is equal to 1 by root 3 means pi by 6, isn't it? So pi by 6 it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. What is the meaning of y? Cot inverse of root 3. Therefore cot inverse of root 3 is equal to pi by 6. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Subdivision 2 is over. Moving to subdivision 3rd. So subdivision 3rd, cosecant inverse minus root 2. So cosecant inverse, this is also considered for y means y is equal to cosecant inverse of minus root 2. Again cosecant inverse bring out opposite side means cosecant y is equal to, otherwise we have to first reciprocal of term. Reciprocal of term means y is equal to sine of reciprocal means cosecant. Therefore y is equal to sine inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Again sine inverse bring out opposite side means sine y is equal to negative 1 by root 2. So according to the unit circle, sine y negative means all silver teacup, third and fourth. What is the meaning of range to sine for means negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So cyclic way lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means cos only positive, but sine means we have to check it square root of number of finger count in thumb side. Value also 1 by root 2 means sure we can say middle finger. Middle finger means pi by 6 and pi by 4. Therefore y is equal to pi by 4. It lies on fourth quadrant means negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Therefore what is the meaning of y? Cosecant inverse of minus root 2. Therefore cosecant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to minus pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. That is our answer. Okay. I will continue the next question. Exercise 4.4, question number 2. Find the value of 3 subdivision is there. One by one we can discuss. Subdivision 1. Solution. What is the question? Tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. This is considered for x means this is considered for y. Therefore x is equal to tan inverse root 3. Again tan bring out opposite sign means tan x is equal to root 3. So tan x is equal to root 3 means according to the unit circle positive, you know, all silver teacup, first and third quadrant range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So first positive, you know, simply we can say x is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. What is the meaning of x? Tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Second term y, isn't it? So y is equal to secant inverse of minus 2. So secant inverse of minus 2 means secant bring out opposite sign means secant y is equal to minus 2. But we need to reciprocal, then only it will be very easy to find out. So first we have to apply y is equal to secant means cos, reciprocal of cos, isn't it? Therefore we can write it cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse bring out opposite sign means cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So unit circle all silver teacup. It's a cos. What is the value? The negative means definitely second and third. According to the cyclic, second quadrant negative means this is called pi minus theta. But what is the value of 1 by 2 in cos? Cos means we have to check it actually little side. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sure we have to fold ring finger. Pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to value pi minus theta. Instead of theta, we can take it pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to cross multiply means 3 pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 pi minus pi means true pi by 3, isn't it? True pi by 3. This is, what is the meaning of y? Secant inverse of minus 2, isn't it? So, secant inverse of minus 2. This is called true pi by 3, isn't it? Now, we need x value minus y value. What is the x value? Pi by 3 minus true pi by 3. This is common denominator 3 means we can write it directly numerator pi minus true pi. Therefore, answer will be negative pi by 3. This is answer for subdivision 1. Okay, I am moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2. Question. Solution. Sin inverse of minus 1 plus cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus cot inverse of 2, isn't it? This is considered for x, this is considered for y, this is considered for z, okay? So, x is equal to sin inverse of minus 1. Sin inverse bring out opposite sign means sin x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to, according to the unit circle, all silver teacup. Sign will be negative means third and fourth, isn't it? So, third and fourth means sign the range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means definitely negative. X, sin x is equal to 1 means pi by 2 means value will be 1. Therefore, x is equal to pi by 2 but negative. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, what is the meaning of x? Sin inverse of minus 1. Therefore, first term sin inverse of minus 1 is equal to pi by 2 but negative. Okay. Second term cos inverse of positive 1 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to cos inverse of positive 1 by 2 means cos y is equal to 1 by 2. Already we have positive value. So, positive value means cos, what is the meaning? Number of finger count in little side. But 1 by 2 means surely we can say this is considered for ring finger. Ring finger means pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. Y, what is the meaning? Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Therefore, cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. Now, cot inverse, already we know the maximum value is 0 to 1. There is true, more than 1 is there. So, we can write it directly with the answer. Therefore, first term, what is answer? According to the condition, sin inverse of minus 1 means negative pi by 2, then plus here pi by 3. This is belongs to 0 to pi. Last condition as it is, okay, plus cot inverse of 2, isn't it? Now, the common denominator 6 means 6 divided by 2 means 3. 3 into pi means negative 3 pi. Next condition 6 divided by 3 means 2. 2 into pi means 2 pi plus cot inverse of 2. Therefore, minus 3 pi plus 2 pi is equal to minus pi by 6 plus cot inverse of 2. Starting with the positive sign means final answer cot inverse of 2 negative pi by 6. This is answer for subdivision 2. Okay, I will continue the last subdivision from exercise 4.4 question number 2. So, subdivision third question solution. Cot inverse of minus 1 plus sin inverse of minus root 3 by 2 plus secant inverse of minus root 2. Okay. This is considered for x, considered for y, the last term considered for z. Therefore, x is equal to cot inverse of minus 1. What is the meaning of cot? Reciprocal of tan. X is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 1 means 1 will come. So, minus 1 is repeated. Therefore, tan x is equal to minus 1, isn't it? So tan x is equal to minus 1 means definitely tan pi by 4 means value will be 1. Therefore, we can say x is equal to pi by 4, isn't it? So x is equal to pi by 4 means, but negative, isn't it? X is equal to negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Second term. Second one, sine inverse. So y is equal to sine inverse of negative root 3 by 2. Therefore, sine y is equal to negative root 3 by 2. So sine y, negative condition means according to the unit circle, all silver teacup. So all silver teacup means sine negative means third and fourth quadrant. What is the mean range for sine? Negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So cyclic way, it lies on fourth quadrant, cos only positive. Therefore y is equal to, what is the meaning of sine? Square root of number of finger count in thumb side. So on thumb side root 3 by 2 means surely we can say pi by 6, pi by 4, pi. That is called ring finger. So pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. But negative. So negative pi by 3, it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, isn't it? So we need the first answer. X consider for what is the meaning? Cot inverse of minus 1. I will write it here. So cot inverse of minus 1, what is the answer? Cot inverse of minus 1 is equal to negative pi by 4. The last one, z, isn't it? Z is equal to secant inverse of minus root 2. So secant inverse of minus root 2 means reciprocal of cos, isn't it? So reciprocal of cos of minus 1 by root 2. Here therefore cos inverse bring out opposite side means cos z is equal to negative 1 by root 2. According to the unit circle, all silver teacup means cos negative means second and third. So unit circle 0 to pi means lies on second quadrant means pi minus theta. So what is the value of 1 by root 2 in cos means square root of number of finger count in little side. So 1 by root 2 means middle finger, pi by 6, pi by 4. So is but pi minus of, instead of theta we can write it pi by 4. Therefore z is equal to cross multiply means 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi means 3 pi by 4. It belongs to 0 to pi. So 0 to pi. Okay. Now pi by 4 means value will be 45. 45 into 3 means double of 45 means 90. 90 into 90 plus 45 means 135. It lies on between 0 to pi. Therefore, what is the value meaning of z? Consider for secant inverse of minus root 2. Therefore, secant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay. 3 term is over. Just we have to add one by one. First one, cot inverse value negative pi by 4. This is meaning z is equal to secant inverse of minus root, isn't it? Secant inverse of minus root is equal to 3 pi by 4. Third one is here, isn't it? Negative pi by 3. What is the meaning of y? Sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2 is equal to negative pi by 3. The first value minus pi by 4. Second one positive, but we have the answer minus root by 3 negative, isn't it? Therefore, we can write it negative pi by 3. Last one, secant inverse of minus root is equal to 3 pi by 4, isn't it? 3 pi by 4. Now, what will happen? So, common denominator 12 means 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. So, 3 into pi means negative 3 pi. Next condition, 12 divided by 3 means 4 times. Value will be negative 4 pi. Next one, 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. 3 into 3 means plus 9 pi, isn't it? So plus 9 pi means negative 3 pi, negative 4 pi means negative 7 pi. Negative 7 pi plus 9 pi means, sorry my dear, actually this is positive one, no, cot inverse of in your book actually, yeah, positive one. this is my mistake, careless mistake. This is positive 1 means surely we can say this is positive pi by 4. So here also we can write it positive pi by 4. Now we can check it. Common denominator 12 means 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. 3 into pi means 3 pi minus 12 divided by 3 means 4 times. 4 into 5 means 4 pi plus last time 12 divided by 3 means 4 times. Sorry, 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. 3 into 3 means 9 pi. Now 9 pi plus 3 pi means 12 pi. 12 pi. Totally confused there. This is actually the book term actually negative, isn't it? So negative means this is here definitely we can say negative 3 pi by 4. So this is also surely we can say negative. Therefore, so negative 9 pi negative 4 pi means 3 pi minus negative 13 pi divided by 12. Therefore, negative 10 pi by 12. So 10 and 12 pi and 6. Therefore, answer will be negative pi by 6. Okay, this is the answer for question number 2, exercise 4.4. Okay, I will continue the next example. Moving to example 4.16, prove that pi by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x less than or equal to 3 pi by 2. So solution, one of the property of inverse trigonometric function, the main property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, sin inverse x is equal to plus pi by plus cos inverse x, bring out opposite side means pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. The given main term sin inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x. Instead of sin inverse x, we can write it pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus true cos inverse x. Therefore, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x means positive cos inverse x. So, what is the range for cos inverse x? Cos inverse x means 0 to pi. According to the condition, add 2k pi on each and every side. Add pi by 2, isn't it? Sorry, my dear, add pi by 2. Add pi by 2 each and every side. So what will happen? 0 plus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 2 plus cos inverse x less than or equal to pi plus pi by 2. So 0 plus pi by 2 means pi by 2 less than or equal to, instead of pi by 2 we can write it, what is the property? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, isn't it? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x less than or equal to, cross multiply 2 into pi means 2 pi plus pi by 2. Now, so pi by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse x means, sorry my dear, one term is missing. No, instead of pi by 2 we can write it only sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, but other one term also is there. Now what is the term? Cos inverse x. Therefore, plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse x add means true cos inverse x less than or equal to 2 pi plus pi means 3 pi by 2. This is our answer. No, show that, prove that. Okay. So look at there, pi by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x plus true cos inverse x less than or equal to 3 pi by 2. Therefore, we can write it hence proved. Okay. I will continue the next example. Moving to example 4.17, actually given 4 subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Moving to subdivision 1, solution cos inverse cos of 13 pi by 3. So 13 pi by 3 means, what is the main property? Cos inverse of cos x is equal to x means x is belongs to 0 to pi. But given value cos inverse of 13 pi by 3 is equal to 13 pi by 3. We can say sure it does not belongs to 0 to pi. How? 13 means 13 into 180 divided by 3. So 180 divided by 3 means 60. We can sure it's more than 0 to 180, isn't it? Because 13 into 6 also approximately 60 plus 780 will come. It's more than 0 to 180 means what we have to do, just expand 13 pi by 3. How to expand? Cos inverse cos of 13 pi by 3 means 4 pi plus pi by 3. Now you can check it. 3 into 4 pi means 12 pi. 12 pi plus pi means 13 pi. So we can write it 4 pi plus pi by 3. Therefore, cos 4 pi plus theta means, according to the unit circle, 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, again 4 pi, but 4 pi plus. Plus means it lies on first quadrant. First quadrant means all the value will be positive. So all the value will be positive means cos 4 pi plus theta is equal to, we can write it cos theta, isn't it? Therefore, what is the value? Cos inverse of 4 pi plus theta means we can write it cos, this is 4 pi plus pi by 3, isn't it? So 4 pi plus pi by 3 is equal to cos inverse of cos pi by 3 only will come, isn't it? Cos pi by 3. Therefore, cos inverse cos cancel means pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. Subdivision 1 is over. Moving to continue subdivision 2. Moving to subdivision 2 question. Solution. Tan inverse tan of 3 pi by 4. What is the property for tan inverse? Tan inverse of tan x is equal to x when x belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. That is negative 90 to positive 90. But given value, tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. It does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. How? So 3 pi means 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 means 45. So 3 into 45 means 135. It's more than negative 90 to positive 90. So what we have to do? Just expand this line. So tan inverse tan of 3 pi by 4 means we can write it pi minus pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 means 4 into pi, 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi means 3 pi by 4 will come. Again, tan pi minus theta is equal to tan theta, but minus y. All silver teacup means 0 to pi, again minus. Minus means second quadrant means sign only positive, but we have tan. That's why I have written for negative tan theta. Therefore, what is the value? Tan inverse of tan pi minus 4 means we can show negative tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 already we know. What is the value? 1, isn't it? So, we can write it tan inverse of negative 1. Consider for y means. So, tan inverse bring out opposite side means tan y is equal to negative 1. According to the unit circle, all silver teacup means second and fourth quadrant tan only negative. So, cyclic order, what is the range? Negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Therefore, cyclic order lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means cos only positive. Therefore, sure we can write it y is equal to value tan pi by 4 means value will be 1. Therefore, pi by 4 but negative. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Therefore, what is the meaning of y? Tan inverse of minus 1, isn't it? Therefore, final answer tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Subdivision 2 is over. Subdivision 3rd. What is the question? Solution. Secant inverse secant of 5 pi by 3, isn't it? What is the main property? Secant inverse of secant x is equal to x when x belongs to reciprocal of cos. No, what is the range for cos? 0 to pi, but secant inverse except pi by 2. If it added pi by 2 means it is infinity. Infinity means it's not a value. Okay. That's why they accept pi by 2. So secant inverse secant. But the given condition, secant inverse of secant 5 pi by 3 means is equal to 5 pi by 3. It does not belongs to 0 to pi except pi by 2. So now just we have to rearrange it. Rearrange means secant inverse secant of so pi by 3 means we can say 2 pi minus pi by 3. So 2 into 3 means 6. 6 pi minus pi means 5 pi by 3. So value will be correct. Therefore, what is the meaning of secant of 2 pi minus theta? So 2 pi minus theta means according to the unit circle 0 to pi again 2 pi. 2 pi minus means less than fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means all silver teacup. Cos and reciprocal of cos also there is given condition also secant. So positive, no. Therefore secant of 2 pi minus theta is equal to, we can write it secant theta. Therefore secant inverse of secant of 2 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to, so 2 pi minus pi by 3 means secant theta means secant pi by 3. Therefore secant inverse secant cancel means is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi except pi by 2. Okay. This is the answer for subdivision third. Okay. So I hope you are satisfied in this session. Please, my dear students, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. I will continue the next session. Only one subdivision balances I will start. Okay. Thank you, dears. Bye bye.